Hey guys, welcome back to another one of our videos here at Home Health Success Academy. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite programs to create for your company in order to be able to increase your referrals, and that is called a medication reminder program. This is such an amazing program you should actually be having in your company, whether it is your home health, your non-medical, or your hospice agency. So this is what we do. Technically for medical home health agencies, we're only going to be seeing the patients maybe 2-3 hours out of the week, right? 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 2 1-hour visits of a nurse, maybe a therapist here and there. But anyways, the only one that's responsible for a lot of their medications is the patient themselves, or maybe their significant other, or just maybe a POA. But here's the thing, medication noncompliance is probably one of the biggest reasons why patients go back in the hospital. And one way that they become noncompliant is they forget to take the medications. Look, I'm sure by now, if you're watching this video, at one given point, you had to take some medication that was prescribed by the physician. Let me ask this question. Did you take it at the right time? Or did you miss a dose here and there as well? That's going to happen. But guess what? What's going to happen if your patient does not take their Lasix, right? Their water pill. They get congested. Their CHF, acts up, and then all of a sudden they end up back in the hospital because they're shortness of breath and they're freaking out. They're having anxiety. So what we incorporated with our agency is that we have what they call a medication reminder program. The patient is going to be called every day, twice a day, at 8 o'clock in the morning, at 5 in the afternoon, right? Automatically, all of our patients, it doesn't matter if we have 200 patients, 300 patients, 400 patients, at 8 o'clock in the morning every day and at 5 p.m. every day, they will receive a phone call, all of them at the same time, and a message telling them to remind them to take their medications as prescribed, right? It's just reminding them. Just sometimes getting that quick call to remind them to take the medication is going to be helpful. So go to medicationreminderprogram.com. It's a company that actually is owned by Home Health Success Academy as well. And we actually service over 200 agencies all over the United States. And I can guarantee you guys, if I go to a social worker and I say, the moment the patient is discharged, we have this program available, 99.9% of all home health, 0.9% of all home health agencies does not have this type of services, right? All of our patients get admitted to that program, whether it's a non-medical or a medical home health patient. And this is what makes us stand out. So medicationreminderprogram.com is a great place to go into. That's something that we use for our patients all the time. And guess what? It's going to cost you less than $10 per patient a month. This is not every day, not per day, not per week, but at least a minimum $10 a month per patient. But guess what? This is going to make you stand out from other agencies, because right here alone, it makes you different. You're providing something that makes you different. And also at the very same time as this, other than the fact that you're getting more referrals because a lot of physicians, a lot of social workers are like, oh, this is actually a good idea. Also, another thing is a lot of hospitals are saying, well, we don't like patients ending back to the hospital within 30 days of discharge because it's going to make us liable for it. They're going to like these services as well. But at the very same time, it's other than getting more referrals, getting new referral sources, at the very same time is your current patients are going to maintain in your facility, in your agency, in your services, which then you don't have a loss of revenue. You're gaining revenue and you're maintaining revenue. So these are things that you need to do for your company. Starting programs, creating programs, and having these programs also translate outside into your marketing, letting people know. There's no sense in creating a program that's such an amazing thing if you're not letting people know and make them aware about these services and programs that's going to make you look good. So I hope you guys create that. Once again, go to medicationreminderprogram.com or just contact us here at Home Health Success Academy. Our goal here is to be able to help your agency, whether it be a home health, a non-medical home care, or a hospice agency, create success with us. So always understand that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.